Hey, it's Jennifer Sparks. I'm here with my husband Kelly in Las Vegas. And first I'm going to take you into Aria. Aria is located on the west side of the Strip, and it is an MGM resort. It is part of City Center, which also includes Vdara, Waldorf Astoria, a few condos, and also the shops at Crystals, which we'll be seeing later in this video, as well as Park MGM. We're going to go have dinner over at Eataly. This video was filmed Christmas time 2022. I'm just a little late publishing it. This is my first time visiting Las Vegas during the holiday seasons. And, you know, typically it's just so full of lights and so full of visually stimulating things. And then you add Christmas on top of it. And it is truly a festival for the eyes. There's just so much to see. We are currently in Aria's Grand Lobby. Aria is just, it's not a themed resort, and it's relatively pretty new. It's a lot newer than a lot of the themed resorts that are in Vegas that like opened in the 1990s when it was really starting to boom. So if newer, elegant resorts appeal to you, the Aria would probably be a really good fit for you. The Aria also hosts a lot of conventions. You're going to see a lot of people walking around with suits. It's a very classy place. When I think of Aria, that's what comes to my mind is conventions, elegant, and newer. If you're new to my channel, my name is Jennifer Sparks, and I love to travel and I love to talk about it. So I started this YouTube channel to assist with helping other people see what these resorts are like and help others make better choices about where they want to stay for their future trip to Las Vegas. I love Las Vegas. If you're watching this video and you're thinking you want to go there, go there. It's really cool. So in this video today, we're going to be hanging out at Aria. We're going to be walking around. We're going to go to Park MGM and we're going to eat at Eataly. You got to stay and watch this. This place is amazing. Park MGM is next door and is a non-smoking hotel and casino. We are also going to take a walk through New York, New York, and we'll briefly go check out the shops at Crystals, which is probably one of the fanciest malls I've ever been to. A lot of upscale stores, but it was even more glamorous at Christmas time. As you could probably tell watching this video, there's a ton of places to eat at the Aria, but they even have wood-fired pizza. I mean, who doesn't love that? Before I forget to mention this, one of the coolest things about staying in this area is they have a tram. And anytime you could take advantage of a tram, especially a free tram, or any kind of moving walkways, take advantage of it. Because even if you're in the best shape, Vegas is like a ton of walking. A lot. More than you think. Going next door to somewhere could take you 20 minutes. So take advantage of the trams whenever you could take advantage of the trams. Now that we're stepping outside, you can see where the tram goes by. It goes to Park MGM, Aria, and the shops at Crystals. You can also access the Vdara and the Bellagio from the tram as well. But we're not doing that today. We're going to walk over to Park MGM. Across Las Vegas Boulevard, you'd find Planet Hollywood, Hilton Aria, the Marriott Grand Chateau, and Polo Towers. Also across the street in that area, you could find the Miracle Mile shops, which is a great place to go for cheapies. You could go get like a $2.99 breakfast and a 99-cent Bloody Mary there. The deals are incredible. Speaking of deals, check out like the CVS's, things like that for your like waters and necessities, because when you go to the stores at the resorts, they're going to charge you like way more than you would pay at a CVS. We are now on the Strip going south. We are going towards Park MGM. In the background, you can see MGM there. This is also past Park MGM. You're going to find Excalibur, New York, New York, Luxor, Tropicana, Mandalay Bay. That's all down here. Park MGM is not to be confused with MGM. MGM Grand is huge and is across the street. Park MGM used to be the Monte Carlo. Park MGM is much smaller, more intimate, it's non-smoking, and it has Eataly. And that's where we're heading to. Kelly has never seen it before, my husband, and I'm like, dude, you gotta come see this place. It's amazing. Have you been to Eataly before? Let me know in the comments below what you chose to eat and how you enjoyed it. When you first walk in from the strip, it appears almost like a wine store. And to the left, they have like fresh bread. And if you go all the way to the other side, there's more like, it's like a tasting room. So it feels more like a winery type of atmosphere. But if you go back a little more, then you're gonna get into all the different types of foods too. This is like the most coolest market, really unexpected to find in a resort in Las Vegas. We participated in, enjoying a very overpriced cocktail, but, hey, when in Vegas. I have to go find the MGM rewards desk before we eat anything because I have vouchers from my Vegas app. I play the slot game on my phone, and I have vouchers to use at Park MGM. Over to the left, this is where you're going to find the Dolby Live. They have a Lady Gaga museum there. She plays there. Usher plays there. I think Maroon 5 is playing there now. So I'm going to go and get my vouchers and see about getting anything for free at Park MGM while I'm here. For food, I had vouchers for Primrose, which isn't open. It's only open for breakfast and lunch. So we're going to come back tomorrow, which will be another video. But we have vouchers for Juniper Lounge for cocktails. Everything is very expensive in Las Vegas, so anything that you could get complimentary, grab it. If you are going to Vegas in the future, you might want to look into looking into those apps, My Vegas. I think there's like a few of them. And you get points, and you use the points to get vouchers for free stuff in Vegas. It doesn't cost you anything. I mean, they prompt you to like buy extra coins and stuff, but you don't have to. I get free comp rooms. I stay at the Bellagio for nothing. I mean, I had to pay for a resort fee. But, I mean, just for playing a game on my phone.
Right, that was like a bolognese. I forgot what it was called.
Bolognese.
Bolognese.
With the fresh meat.
And mine is a ravioli. It has sweet potato inside. And they ask you if you want mozzarella, but it's an extra charge. I think it was $16, so it's $8 for this extra piece of mozzarella, but I'm very excited to try it. Probably might be the best mozzarella I've ever had in my life.
I hope it is.
Well, why don't you try it? See how it is. Oh, that's good.
Very good.
Awesome.
I realize I probably butchered the name of mozzarella. I think it's mozzarella. Whatever it was, though, it was really good. It was a little pricey, but it was about the experience. Fresh mozzarella, mozzarella, burrata, whatever it's called. It was delicious. And Kelly enjoyed it too, especially the drinks. And here is a look at Primrose. I want to show Kelly where it is. We're going to come here tomorrow and dine here because I have the vouchers for my Vegas to eat here pretty much almost for nothing. This place is breakfast and lunch. It's brunch menu. You can get cocktails, you know, at 6 in the morning kind of place. I think Vegas is like that everywhere, though, pretty much. But this is one of my favorite places to dine in all of Las Vegas. I really love it here. It's just really special. You can find Primrose right outside of the Park MGM lobby. Within the same building as Park MGM, you could find the Nomad. That is a little bit more of a fancier, more exclusive type hotel within Park MGM. Here is a look at their cocktail lounge. This is where you'd also find the library bar, which was closed when I was there. I have seen it before. It's absolutely stunning. All right, well, we already ate. We already drank. We were getting close to the end of our 2-week trip in Las Vegas. We had already gambled a lot. So we're like, hey, let's go take a walk next door to New York, New York. This is a very fun resort, and I think it would appeal to all ages. I think this would be very kid-friendly. It's a little dark in there, but it's very aesthetically. It just kind of feels almost like a movie set. Maybe how it feels like going to more of a theme park. You know, our girls are grown, they're in their 20s, and they're off doing their own thing anyway. But like, I look at places like, would I bring my kids here? Would I have like enjoyed it with them? And I think like New York, New York would be a place I would definitely consider. That, Excalibur, Luxor, MGM, Mandalay Bay. I probably wouldn't bring them to Aria or Park MGM. I don't think there'd be enough there visually to entertain them. I could be wrong, though. Do you agree or disagree? Let me know in the comments below, you know, what you think. Did you ever bring your kids to Vegas, and where did you stay? Let's take a little walk around the casino and see what kind of games they have here. Yeah, my kids would have totally loved this. Between that and that bakery we just saw, yeah, they'd be pretty happy. There's also a very large arcade here, and obviously the big roller coaster on the top for, you know, tweens to adults. I don't think little kids could go on that, though. It looks pretty scary. I don't think I'd want to go on that. Have you gone on the New York, New York roller coaster? Is it really frightening? It looks so scary. On our way back to the resort that we're staying in, we're going to be taking a shuttle from the Aria. We're going to be going through Park MGM again to go to the shops at Crystals to get to Aria. You getting all this? I know it's really confusing. And where are we staying? We're staying at Town Place Suites. Why are we staying there rather than all these amazing hotels? Because it's the weekend. And I had free Marriott Bonvoy points. When you travel as much as I do, you have to explore all your options for getting good deals. And now for a little brief walk through the shops at Crystals. And we're now back at Aria. We're a little early for our shuttle, so we're going to take a little bit more of a walk. If you're still with me, and Kelly, thank you so much for hanging out with us. If you're still thinking about where to stay in Las Vegas, I'm going to leave some playlists right here for you. On the left is my resort tours. On my right is what we did in a day. This is your host and your tour guide, Jennifer Sparks. Get to Vegas, book that trip, pack your bags, and go. Safe travels to you, and good luck in the casinos.